Welcome, dear children. How are you doing? Did you have a good week? Did you trouble your parents? Well, I hope you are not troubling them. Children, today we are going to learn something new. Alright? We are going to learn about animal and their homes and animals and the sound they make. Alright? What we are going to learn? We are going to learn about animal and their homes and the sound they make. Alright? But children, before we learn all of these, we are going to touch the topic how animal helps us. Alright? Children, animal, they help us in a lot of ways. Alright? Some animal gives us milk, some gives us eggs, some they give us meat and a lot of more things. Some they also love us and make us feel protected, right? Absolutely. So we are going to learn about few of the animals who give us the things that we take in everyday life. So are you ready to learn with me? Great. So the first one we have here is milk. Right? Milk that makes us strong and healthy, right? Yes. Can you guess which animal gives us milk? Absolutely. Cows and goats, right? These two animals give us milk. Correct. Very good. The next one we have is eggs. Children, which animal gives us egg? Once again, brilliant. Hens, right? Yes, hens and also ducks. Alright? They give us eggs. Very good, children. Next one we have is meat. Children, which animal gives us meat? Yes, hens, right? Yes, hens, goats and also fish. Am I right? Yes, we do eat fishes too. Correct, children. Very good. You should eat meat, alright? It gives you energy. Great. The next one we have is, can you tell me, children, what is this? Yes, it's wool, right? And which animal gives us wool? Absolutely right. That is the sheep. Sheep gives us wool. Brilliant, children. The next one we have is honey. The sweet honey. I know it's very easy, right? Children, which animal or insect gives us honey? Come again? You're absolutely right. Bees, right? They give us honey. Correct, children. Now, some animals also carry loads for us, right? Heavy loads which we cannot carry, animal helps us to carry. So there are 3 animals which help us to carry the loads. Shall we see which 3 animals they are? Donkey, horse, and we have the camel. Alright? What they are? Donkey, horse, and camel. Children, these 3 animals helps us in carrying load. Can you see at the back? They have load, right? They make our work easy. Isn't it? Yes. Now, there are also some animals which show us or give us love and affection. Right? Can you tell or can you guess which animals give us love and affection? Yes, they are cats dogs, right? Yes, we do keep them as pets. They give us love and affection. Dogs also guard and protect our houses, right? From thieves and burglars. Am I correct? Yes. So children, once again remember, treat all the animals with love, alright? They give us so many things, right, that we need. So even we should show them love and affection. Alright? Very good. So children, this was how animal helps us. Now we jump on the topic animal and their sounds. Okay? Homes and sounds of each animal. Okay? I have a few animals which I will be showing you here, and I will tell you their home and the sound they make. Alright? I want you to hear carefully. Alright? Perfect. The first one we have here is, children, can you tell me what is this? Do you have any idea which animal and the house it is? Well, it's a stable, okay? Stable is the house for cows. Alright? Stable is the house for cows. Very good. And what sound does the cow make? Moo. Right? The sound that the cows make is moo. Correct. Can you say once again? Moo. Very good, children. The next one we have is a horse, right? A horse lives in a stable. What does the horse live? Where does the horse live? The horse, they live in a stable, right? Yes, children. And what sound does the horse make? They neigh. Okay? What do? They neigh. Once again, neigh. Very good, children. The next animal we have here is the bird. Okay? The bird lives in the nest. Alright? And what sound do they make? They chirp. Okay? What do? They chirp. They live in the nest and they chirp. Alright? Good. The next one we have here is the sheep. Yes, the sheep, they live in a pen. Alright? Can you see this? It's a pen. Alright? They live in a pen. And children, what sound do they make? Can you tell me what sound they make? They bleat, right? Yes, they bleat. Great. Here comes the king of the jungle. Children, where does the king of the jungle live? He lives in his den. Alright? And what sound does he make? He roars. What does he do? He roars. Absolutely right. The next one we have here is the dog. The dog lives in a kennel. Alright? Where does he live in? He lives in a kennel. Alright? And what sound does he make? He barks. What does he do? He barks. Okay? They have different sounds. Okay? They bark, they woof, they arf. But generally we call them barking. Okay? The sound that the dogs make are called barking. Okay? Good. The next one we have here is the cute little rabbit, right? Rabbit, they live in burrows. They dig under the ground and they live in them. Alright? Yes. Rabbits, they live in burrows. And which sound do they make? What sound, children? They grunt. Okay? Rabbits grunt. Alright? Great. The next one we have here is the hen. The hen, they live in coops. Alright? What this is called? It is called a coop. Okay? Hen, to live inside a coop. And what sound does the hen make? They cluck. What sound do they make? Yes, they cluck. Alright? Repeat with me once again, children. Cluck. Again. Cluck. Perfect. Now, the next one we have here is the elephant, right? The elephant lives in the forest. They are huge, big animals. They need a lot of place, right? Yes, so they live in forests. Okay? And what sound do they make? They trumpet. Okay? With their long trunk, they trumpet. Alright? Good. Children, what is the next thing that you see here? Humans. People like you and me and your mama and dada. Right? We live at houses. Right? We live in a house. Alright? And what do? We speak with our mouth. Right? I am speaking to you right now. Yes. Humans speak. Alright? Great. So children, with this, we have come to the end of our lesson. Alright? So together, we are going to revise. Alright? Animal that helps us. Cows and goats give us milk. Hens and ducks give us eggs. Fish, hens, goats give us meat. Sheep give us wool. Honey is given by bees. Animals that carry load for us are donkeys, camels, and horses. Animal that loves us are cats and dogs. Homes and sounds of animals. Cow lives in a shed and they moo. Horse lives in a stable and they neigh. Bird lives in a nest and they chirp. Sheep lives in a pen and they bleat. Lion lives in a den and they roar. Dog lives in a kennel and he barks. Rabbit lives in a burrow and it grunts. Hen lives in a coop and it clucks. Elephant lives in a jungle and it trumpets. Human lives in a house and they speak. So children, this is how you are going to write in the scrapbook. Alright? You will write the heading, animal that helps us, and you will write down these 5 points. Then you will write animal that carry loads for us, then the 3 points. Animal that loves us, then the 2 points. Okay? You are not going to stick any pictures. This is how you are going to do the other one. Okay? Animal and sounds of the, homes and sounds of the animal. You're going to make 3 lines like this. In 3 columns you're going to write it. Okay? Animal, homes and sounds. You're going to write this in a new page. Okay? And you will only stick pictures of animal and their homes. Okay children? Only animal and their homes. Alright? Perfect. So children, I hope you have understood what I have taught you right now. Okay? And I hope that you will learn it. Alright? I will see you in the next class. Until then, keep learning and have a nice day.